Hi, my name is Dr. Rebecca Corder, and I am a math teacher here at Charlotte Latin. I am currently teaching honors pre-calculus, but I've created a course that should be good for anyone taking pre-calculus here at Charlotte Latin. And so for those of you who want to use your My Math Lab access code, if you bought the textbook new and it came with the code, here's how you're going to do it. So first, you're going to go to this URL, www.pearson.com/mylab, and it will take you to this page. You are going to register as a student. You're going to need these three things: your email, your instructor's ID, which you're all going to use this ID, Corder 52552, and then an access code or a credit card so you can buy one, or you can get temporary access for 2 weeks free. I believe it's still 2 weeks free. So do we have everything we need? Yes, we're going to hit OK, register now. And so first, enter that course ID. I've practiced this. There it is, Corder 52552. Continue, and what you will see is over here, right, pre-calculus. That's the course. So if you have an account, you'll sign in. Odds are you probably don't, so go ahead and create. Not sure if you have an account. I'm not sure if you have an account. Forgot your username. If you have any of the following products, you have an account. All right, that doesn't help me. So we're going to say create. And I'm going to use my personal email, rebeccacorder@gmail.com. Right, username. I'm going to let my username be my email. Password has to be a bunch of things, so something that's easy that I'm going to remember. Yeah. All right, let's do this again. My first name is not Jeremiah. My last name. Security question. What town was I born in? I was born in San Diego, California. I agree. One of these applies to me. You will check that because you're under the age of 18, so then you're done. I do not wish to receive information in spam, so I'm going to, your username already exists, use a different username or look up your account information. Okay, you will probably not have that. You would then click create account. I'm going to pause this recording and figure out what my actual account is. All right, so I have successfully signed into my account, or for your case, you will have successfully created an account, and then you will be taken to this page here, right? So enter your existing, or if you have an account, right, create an account, select access options. So at this point, if you have an access code, you're going to click there. If you want to spend $103, you can do that, or get a temporary access without payment for 14 days. So I'm going to do that because this is just my sample. Are you sure you want temporary access? Yes, I'm sure. I only want temporary access because I want to see if it's even worth having this. Again, if you have an access code that came with your textbook, by all means use it. You've paid for it. So please wait. From the You're Done page, select Go to My Courses, and then on My Courses, select the course name Pre-Calculus. So I'm going to go to my courses, and here I've got Pre-Calculus. And notice it's going to tell you every time you log in that it's a temporary access. So I'm going to go there and see what I can have access to here. So course home, homework, just so you know, there's no homework or quizzes put in there. If you were to click on quizzes and tests, there's sample quizzes and tests just for extra practice. So if you've just finished the review, chapter P or chapter 1 or chapter 2, you know, those are things you can work on. Chapter content, this is what I'm really wanting. I want to see, like, so for instance, chapter 1, if we go to section 1.1, I'd like to see the textbook, multimedia e-text, right? So if I wanted to see chapter 1, section 1, by clicking on the multimedia e-text, that's going to give me access to, or should give me access to, the textbook electronically, I think. Yes, I agree to the terms of use. And does it work? Does it work? Does it work? And it looks like it is because it's dropping me right into, let me now make this bigger. Welcome to your e-text, hooray! Right? And so looks like it's starting on page 64. This is our textbook, right? We can scroll here and it's already jumped me straight to 1.1. So actually once I'm in here, I can even jump to maybe the prerequisite chapter, the review, right? Real numbers. Or if I wanted to jump to chapter 10, oh, let's collapse that. If I wanted to jump all the way to chapter 10 and look at statistics and probability, I can be there. Here's chapter 10. Right, if you're looking for homework exercises, those are almost always going to be at the end of a section. So for instance, it might actually be faster to click on, like if I want the homework from 1.1, go to 1.2. Uh-oh. Error. Let's try this again. Maybe my computer is just having issues. All right, let's try this again. Multimedia e-text. Maybe my browser just needed to refresh. But long story short, you should have access to the electronic textbook. And if you're looking for homework exercises, right, you're better. You can scroll page by page or you can type in a page number. So if you know on page 74, that's where the homework exercises for 1.1 should start or should be. Yep, here we have it. We just need to scroll down. And there's where the homework starts. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and ask. Rebecca.corder@charlottelatin.org.